Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created a unique name for images reference to the title in the tutorial project. Now, in this video, I have copied a post from C# corner and copy the image from the Google and upload it here. Now I want to replace that feature image here. So what I need to do, I need to go to the procedure and add the variable to fetch the image path. So here is that procedure which is rendering the related post. The category is 10. Here you can see we have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right after the 6 which is category, I want to add another column, tp dot feature image. Now it is on the seventh index. Replace it with category, execute this, stop the application, copy this and replace the 7th index with feature image, execute this. So now image is on the 7th index. Now go to the front end code where it is rendering. And here is the sample image which we need to replace. So simply copy this variable, replace this with the demo image and use feature image. Now refresh and let's see how it's work. Okay, it is rendered but the path is not correct right now. Okay, source unknown content. I think we need to console this first before utilizing it. Save it and console. Refresh this and go to the console. This is the path right after the this, and enter, and here is the image. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to use this right after the content. So what we will do, we will use this plus this, or simply place this here and then use this. Save it, refresh front end, and let's see how it's work. Still image is not available. This is the source, content, image, post, data. It is not rendering as required. Once again console it and let's see how it's look alike. Here you can see there is a quotation available here, so we need to remove the quotation, or we can use direct this path. Okay, let's try it by replacing these quotation here, and let's refresh. Okay, so here you can see how it is look alike. Okay, now what we will do, we will add another post having the same topic. Go to the post, and let's create that. It is just for the sample. Copy this. Here we have the image. Save image, download C# string, whatever in the download, C# this, uploaded. And I think there is some kind of error happen on the front end. Oh, oops, yes. Now create this. I think it is not uploaded. Refresh the page once again and see, here is the list. See its properties. I think this image is not good, so we need to use another image, C# and copy this. We need to find PNG. Here is the PNG. Okay, now upload here. It is not uploading. Okay, yes, the reason of not uploading the post is that here you can see we have post and post. MVC is not able to understand what is this post and what is this post, because actually the route configuration means the first parameter will be the controller, and the second parameter will be the action, and the third parameter will be the parameter, and so on, all the parameters. So here how I have sorted this, I have changed this into simple action, and here is the controller. Okay, now what we will do, simply refresh the page, copy the content, and you will see it will be easily uploaded. Check this, copy this content, paste here, click this image and click create. So now it's created, and when I will go to the list and preview anyone, the other is represented like this. By this you can create your own dynamic CMS system I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.